Students, in previous class we have completed exercise 2A. Now let's do exercise 2B. Question number 1 of this exercise is fill in the blanks to make each of the following a true statement. First part is 529 plus dash is equals to 398 plus 529. Equal sign is there. It means both the sides will be equal. Here 529 is common on both the sides. So what is remaining here? This 398. Right? So in blank there will be 398. Next is 0 plus 815 is equals to dash. This is the property of 0. When we add 0 in any number, we get the same answer. It means we will get 815 because we are adding 0. 0 means nothing. Next, 10,000 plus dash is equals to 10,000. We are getting same answer after adding something. It means we are adding nothing. Nothing means 0. If we will add 0 in this number, we will get the same answer. And this is the property of 0. Next, 12 plus 47 plus 88 is equals to 100 plus dash. Both the sides are equal. It means this side 12 plus 47 plus 88 will be equal to this side. So let's add it. इसको add करके check करते हैं. This is 12 plus 47 plus 88. When you will add them, you will get 147. Right? So left hand side is 147. Now there is 100 given already. Clear? So what number should be added in this 100 to make it 147? 147 बनाने के लिए 100 में क्या ऐड करें? We will add 47. So 100 plus 47 is equals to 47. Now the next part is 39 plus in bracket. This is 201 plus 18 is equals to 39 plus 201 plus dash. This is associative property. What was associative property? When we add three numbers, we group them in different way to add and then we get the same answer, right? Here in the first one, they have enclosed 201 plus 18 in the bracket and here they have enclosed 39 and 201 in bracket. But equal sign is there. It means both the sides are equal. Let's see which is common on both the sides. 39 is given on both the sides, right? 201 is also given on both the sides. What is remaining here? 18. So in blank you will write 18. And which property is this? This is associative property. Next is find the sums. Firstly we will find the sum of this and this. So find it. 217 plus 483. Add them. 217 plus 483. 7 plus 3 is 10. 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. What you are getting? 700. Do this part. 483 plus 217. Add them. 483 plus 217. 7 plus 3 10. 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. 700. Students, if you have observed on both the sides, this is 217 plus 483 and this is 483 plus 217. That means addends are same. It means numbers are same to which we are adding. हम दोनों ही side पर same number को add कर रहे हैं. What we have done? We just have changed their order. Right? That's why we are getting the same answer. And which property is this? When we change the order of the number and we add them, we get the same answer. They are asking, are they same? Yes, they are same. Which property of addition do they show? This property is commutative property, right? You have studied in earlier class that a plus b is equals to b plus a. Here a is 217 and b is 483. We just have changed their order and we have added them, right? So this is commutative property. So this is your answer. Next, find each sum. Firstly, we will add this and then this. So solve it. 39,208 plus 392 in bracket plus 726. On the another side, this is 39,208 plus in bracket this is 392 plus 726. If you have observed, on both the sides numbers are same, just the difference of grouping. सिर्फ ग्रुप्स डिफरेंट हुए हैं, नंबर्स आर सेम. फर्स्ट केस में वी हैव एडेड or we have enclosed these two numbers in the bracket, and in next case we have enclosed these two numbers in the bracket, right? And according to BODMAS, firstly we solve the bracket. So what we will get here, when we will add these two numbers, we will get 39,600 plus 726. Now we will add these two. We will get here 40,326. Clear? Now in this part, firstly we will solve the bracket. This part will remain same, 39,208. Add these two, 6 plus 2, 8, 9 plus 2, 11, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. Right? Now add them. When you will add them, you will get 40,326. So in the question they were asking, are they equal? Yes, they are equal. On both the sides, when we are calculating these two, we are getting same answer. Next they asked, which property of addition do they show? Which property is this? When we add three numbers and we group them differently, like a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. This is associative property. Clear? So firstly they asked, are they equal? Yes, they are equal. Second they asked, which property of addition do they show? Associative property. This is your answer. Now the question number 4 is a multiple choice question. In this they have given a statement that a student wrote 5 plus 24 plus 25 plus 6 is equals to 5 plus 25 plus 24 plus 6. Which property of addition did he use? Students, if you have observed, on both the sides numbers are same, like 5, 5, 25, 25, 24, 24, 6, 6. Numbers are same on both the sides and they have given equal sign in between. What is the change on both the sides? On both the sides there is just a difference of the order of the number. It means they have added the numbers in different order. Which property is this? When we add two or more numbers and we change their order, we get the same answer. This is commutative property. So B option is correct. Next, 18 plus in bracket 82 plus 8 then equals to, student this point is not here, right? 18 plus 82 plus 8 is an example of. On both the sides we are adding 3 numbers like a plus b plus c. On left hand side we have enclosed b plus c. On right hand side we have enclosed a plus b. Which property is this? A plus in bracket b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. This is associative property, right? So D option is correct here. Now with this question your exercise 2b is completed. Practice as much as possible, and if you have any doubt you can ask me personally or you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you. Have a good day.